Hi, I'm Alex Smith. I am now a teacher at West Green High School, but I'm speaking to you today because hopefully you're going to be learning some math, but more, I was involved in talent search when I was in high school. I went to West Green High School. I was in talent search and the TRIO programs involved in it. So I wanted to come back. They asked me to come and show you a little bit of math, and just to let you know that, we talk about students going to college and whatnot. It happened. Alright, I'm back again. Today I'm going to tell you, in math we do a lot of different things and maybe things look strange, different. Why do we do this? Why do we do that? Really, I'm here to tell you that there's only two tricks that we really do in math, ever, really. When you break things down to their basis, there's only two things we do. We add 0 and we multiply by 1. And that's it. Now obviously we do some other things as well. But as far as manipulating numbers goes, to make them tell us what we want, to make them tell us what we're looking for, that's all we do. We add 0 total to the total thing. So for instance, adding 0, well, why, if you see this problem, why do you subtract 3 from both sides? Why? Well, it's because if you subtract 3 from both sides, you're keeping the equation balanced. You haven't changed the equation at all. You are just changing the way that you look at it. The values are still the same. All that's happened now is that they are still balanced. That's why that ends up equaling 5. I haven't added anything, I haven't weighed one side of the equation any more than I had the other. All I've done is essentially change the way that I've looked at it. I've added 0 to this. Same thing, if I want to rationalize the denominator right here, on this, then what I have to do is multiply by the radical in the bottom, on top and bottom. Well, why do I do that? Well, something over itself is always 1. This is just a funny looking way of writing 1, that's it. But it makes the problem look different, what we're looking for. That ends up being root 5 over 5, and all of a sudden that problem's fine. That problem is a totally fine problem that we're looking for. Now maybe you're watching this video and you haven't got to this if you're in Algebra 1 or Algebra 2 yet. Don't worry about it. Just understand that in order to get this radical out of the bottom, I just multiply by 1. Well, how about here? If I wanted to simplify this fraction, really if I think about it, sometimes we just do it in our heads, sometimes we write it off to the side, but essentially what I'm doing is I'm dividing each number by whatever. I'm dividing each number by whatever. Well, dividing is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. 8 over 8 is 1. So 1 over 1, it's the same deal. 48 divided by 56, or 48 over 56 divided by 1, or multiplied by the reciprocal of that, which is the same thing. And it breaks it down to its basic parts. That's all we do in math. We do the same thing over and over again. We just give it different names. But there's only a couple tricks. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Take the quiz associated with this, check out some more videos, and we'll go from there. Thank you.